Morning students, I welcome all of you in our today's class of note making. In our previous class, we had already discussed about the definition of note making and the purpose of note making. In today's class, we will discuss about the format of note making. And here is the format of note making. So students, you can get the question into three parts of note making. First of all, question number first, make notes of the passage. Give suitable title of the given passage. And the third question is write down the summary of the passage. So after reading the passage, you can get the clear idea about the heading or the title of the passage. So write down the heading of the passage here only in your answer sheet. After giving the heading or the title of the passage, you divide the whole passage into three parts. Paragraph number 1, paragraph number 2 and paragraph number 3. After dividing into three parts, give the subheading to each paragraph. Like this, this is the paragraph number first. Don't write para number first in your answer sheet. I have write down the para number 1 to explain you the paragraph number 1, paragraph number 2 and paragraph number 3. So you don't write down this thing, para first, para second and para 3. So when you divide the whole passage into three parts, you mention the main points of each paragraph, the 3 points or 2 points, like first, second, third, and differentiate the number of each paragraph. So I have mentioned 3 points in paragraph number 2, 2 points in second paragraph, and 2 points in third paragraph. So if there is again sub points, you have mentioned like this: point number A, point number B. So there is a difference between all the numericals. In subheading, I have used 1. In main points, I have different numbers, and in subheading, I have written A, B, C. So my dear students, this is the format of note making. So when you use the sentence in note making, you have to mention two main things. So use abbreviations as much as possible. Don't write long sentences. Use short sentences and don't use determiners. So my dear students, you can get the idea of note making, the format of note making. Thank you.